world a grave new threat. Horrific acts of atrocities, murderous regimes dedicating to killing us.
You know, I've tried to tell him over and over again that I'm not a hip-hop artist. I'm multi-genred. I go all around the board, you know. Case in point, this is not a hip-hop track. Matt G. Chapter 2. It all starts, hold, stop, then it goes back around again. A new beginning, false stop. What the hell's around the bend? They perceive it, you believe it, but you all refuse to ask. Disagree in every theory while I'm looking to the past. Were the Mayans all describing visions of catastrophe, or just giving their opinion of what we're about to see? Every day there's tragedy before you go doubting me. Read about it, think about it, don't give me analogies, metaphors of what it's for. Unless you know what's next in store, then I don't buy it. Don't go crying when it shows up at your door. I've been looking for an answer since I was pulled out of it, and I've been spreading truth like cancer that's been falling down a pit of lies. Recognize that your eyes are being fooled by tricks. The devil's in disguise, using wise words to pull your kids. Clowns in funny gowns use their hounds to sniff out your scent. The smell of fear is all around, and they won't tone it down a bit.
I can't see a thing looking through these broken monitors, through these broken monitors, through these broken monitors. How come I can't see a thing through these broken monitors, through these broken monitors, through these broken monitors, broken monitors? Just a bunch of broken monitors, broken monitors. Just a bunch of broken monitors, broken monitors. Just a bunch of broken monitors, broken monitors.
Now once upon a time, I was certain that I knew it all, and then I'd spit a line in my mind, resorted just to stall. Just a couple years ago, I barely knew how to write a bar, and then I turned into a musical rising shining star. Prisoners in cubicles, follow me outside your cage while we're looking through a hole. A light is shining on the stage, going to a place that they can't, trapped in a human box, cause of their encoding in the brains of your elusive thoughts. About as real as moon rocks, brought to us in '62. X marks the spot as we headed back to Nibiru. See through the tubes, you and me are forced to hear and view, lost and confused of what me and you are supposed to do. Looking for a guide to explain to me them Georgia stones, instead of all the lies from the mouths of these corporate drones. I can see that lizard skin scaling through a suit and tie, but since there's not a thing within, they try to steal from you and
I can't see a thing looking through these broken monitors, through these broken monitors, through these broken monitors. How come I can't see a thing through these broken monitors, through these broken monitors, through these broken monitors? I can't see a thing looking through these broken monitors, through these broken monitors, through these broken monitors. How come I can't see a thing through these broken monitors, through these broken monitors, through these broken monitors, broken monitors? Just a bunch of broken monitors, broken monitors. Just a bunch of broken monitors, broken monitors. Just a bunch of broken monitors.
Try to tell them this ain't hip-hop, man. This is life music. This is open your eyes and your mind, see between the lines. What will you find in this grand design? Matt G. I give.
Broken monitors.
Chapter 2.
Just a bunch of broken monitors, broken monitors. Just a bunch of broken monitors, broken monitors. Just a bunch of broken monitors, broken.